I'm having trouble setting goals properly. Can you help me?
Of course! The first step is to make sure your goal is SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound.
That makes sense. But how do I make sure my goal is specific?
Start by writing down exactly what you want to achieve. Be as specific as possible, and make sure your goal is something you can measure.
Okay, I see. And how do I make sure my goal is attainable?
Consider your resources and abilities. Is your goal something you can realistically achieve with the resources you have available? If not, you may need to adjust your goal or find additional resources.
Got it. And how do I stay motivated and celebrate my achievements?
Break your goal down into smaller, achievable milestones. Celebrate each milestone you reach and use that momentum to keep moving forward. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goal.
That's a great idea. How do I make sure my milestones are relevant?
Make sure each milestone is relevant to your overall goal and helps you move closer to achieving it. If a milestone doesn't serve that purpose, it may not be relevant.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. And how do I make sure my goal is time-bound?
Set a deadline for achieving your goal and make sure your milestones are aligned with that timeline. This will help you stay on track and focused on your goal.
Thanks for the advice. I'm excited to start setting SMART goals and celebrating my achievements along the way.
You're very welcome. Remember, setting goals properly takes practice and consistency. But with the right strategies in place, you'll be able to achieve your goals and succeed in your career.